Part 3 of the huge package from Boost Fidgets. The last fidgets in the package are these huge poppets. First is this really pretty blue camo circle poppet. These do have a quiet side and then a slightly louder side. Let's try the louder side. I love this. These feel so smooth. And then there are two giant square poppets. This paint splatter one and then this butterfly one. I cannot get over how big these are. The paint splatter one has a quieter pop, but this butterfly one has such a nice popping sound. I definitely recommend. This rainbow poppet is ginormous. The size difference. This has 256 bubbles. And on this side it's pretty loud, but this side is so good. Hey guys! Go click the link in my bio right now because a company called Fidget Warehouse is having 30% off their entire shop for the next 24 hours. They also have free shipping, so make sure to check out their website if you see anything here that you like. They sent me a lot of fidgets, as you can see, but they also sell a lot more than just this. Of course, we have the classic dimple. It's very good quality and I love it so much. Fidget pads are so underrated. They're so fun to click around and they're great for stress. I love pea poppers too. I actually keep one on my bag. They also sell bike chains on their website, which are super fun. And of course, Simple Dimples, my favorite fidget. Simple Dimples are definitely my go-to fidget. They sell so many different pop-ups on their website. These are some of the ones they sell. Lobster, carrot, pineapple, and cactus. If you see any fidgets you like, click the link in my bio. Fidget giveaway. First place winner will be receiving this dimple, a DNA ball, and an earth gummy as well as a mochi. Second place winner will be receiving a rainbow poppet, a pea popper, and an earth gummy as well as another mochi. So to enter, the rules will be on the screen. This giveaway is USA only because shipping outside of the United States is really expensive. You also do have to be comfortable with giving me your address if you do win. So if you are under the age of 18, please get your parents' permission before entering. But besides that, the rules are on the screen. Follow this account, like this video, share this video, and comment done and a way to contact you. I can contact you through TikTok DMs if that works best for you. But if your TikTok DMs do not work, or if there's a better way to contact you, please comment that instead. This giveaway will end on March 13th. Thank you all so much for 300K. It means so much to me. And good luck to everybody who enters. And please make sure to follow all the rules. Bye! This is my giveaway for 1 million followers. I am so grateful to every single person who's followed me. You guys are the best. This is everything I'm giving away. And to enter, you need to click the link in my bio and scroll down until you see a bubble that says enter my giveaway. Once you click the bubble that says enter my giveaway, it should bring you to a form. All you have to do is fill out the form and submit it. This giveaway is available to everybody no matter where you live, but please only enter once. If you enter more than one time, you're going to be disqualified and you will not be able to win any of these things. This giveaway is random, but if you submit the form more than once, you will not be able to win anything. And the main rule for this giveaway is that you must be following this account. First place winner will get this cow squishmallow, a ginormous rainbow poppet, a mochi, and an earth gummy. Second place winner will get this cool cat Nito, a marble mesh, a mini snake, a mochi, and an eyeball candy. If you guys want a chance to win, please submit the form only once. Good luck! So this is happening. Earlier today, my sister was playing with my stress ball and she popped it. So I had this great idea to just cut it open. Even though this pineapple Orbeez ball was very cheap, I still really liked it. But since it popped, I guess I'm going to cut it. RIP. It's kind of satisfying. And there's so many. Well, my pineapple stress ball lives a good life, I guess. At least it's fun to play with. I have no clue what I'm going to do with all these Orbeez. I might just throw them away. I have no clue. Anyways, that was the end of this Orbeez cutting video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Freezing my favorite drink in a poppet. I have a lot of poppets, but for this video, I think I'm going to use my whale poppet. I love how this one pops. One of my favorite drinks happens to be Gatorade, specifically the lemon lime flavor. So that is what I'm going to be using to freeze in my poppet. So my kitchen fridge is full like always, so I'm going to take it to my outside fridge. The whale poppet fits perfectly right there. Okay, let's start pouring. I tried my best to get the Gatorade only in the bubbles, but that didn't really work out, so I ended up filling the entire section. Hopefully it still turns out okay. I'm going to come back tomorrow to see what happens. Come back in 24 hours to see the results. Bye! Hey guys! Fun Buns Fidgets on Etsy sent me a couple fidgets that they sell in their Etsy shop. I checked out their shop and they sell so many awesome fidgets for really good prices. And what's super cool is that they actually show themselves packaging some of your orders on their TikTok account. I would definitely recommend checking out their TikTok account as well as their Etsy shop, which is linked in my bio. I believe this is their extras baggie and they always include extras in all of their orders. I love this acupressure ring. First, let's open up this black and white poppet. First of all, the colors are so pretty. Oh my gosh, it pops so nice. Here's the other side. Whoa. I love poppets that pop loudly on both sides. Let's open the infinity cube next. This is one of the most high quality infinity cubes I've ever felt. It's also so pretty. Lastly, let's open up the mini poppet. Let's pop it. Link in bio. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Ashlyn, for sending me these fidgets. Make sure to use the 10% off coupon code SHARXFidgets for 15% off your purchase. She also sells globbles for only $5. Let's start with the poppets. First is this ice cream poppet. Quiet side. The pops are incredible. Next poppet is this cute octopus. I love the face. Whoa, this is actually pretty loud. This is even louder. Moving on. We have this crab poppet. Quiet side. And the loud side. My favorite. She also sells Neatos and dough balls on her website. Link in bio. This green color is so pretty. I love the shaggies. I think that this is a pineapple Orbeez stress ball. Let's open it. This stress ball is so fun to squish. Hey guys, Variety Fidgets sent me these two poppets to show you guys. Their shop link is in my bio. I definitely recommend checking out their website if you love poppets because they have so many different kinds. This is their hard shell poppet. Whoa, the popping noises. Let's test out the crab poppet next. They have a bunch of different animals and shapes of poppets on their website as well. This is so good. Two loud sides. I tagged their fidget account in the caption. They post awesome fidget content. I would definitely recommend you guys following them. Go check out Variety Fidgets, link in bio. Hey guys! Kendi's Fidgets on TikTok sent me some of the fidgets she sells on her Etsy shop. Right now, everything on her Etsy shop is less than $5, so go click the link in my bio and go check out her shop. And what's super cool is that she actually packages some of her orders on TikTok. Anyways, let me show you some of the fidgets that she sent me. I believe that this is an Orbeez stress ball. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It's so stretchy and it's super fun to squish. It feels like a bubble Neato, but stretchier. Next is this blue snake. I don't have a blue snake yet, and this one is so fun. You can turn snakes into any shape that you want, and this one's perfect for that since it's super easy to move around. The last thing that she sent me is this mochi. This one's super cool because not only is it clear, but it also has lots of glitter in it. I love the look of clear mochis. And she sells a 6-pack of mochis on her Etsy shop. Again, her shop is linked in my bio. Bye! Five Below haul. Guys, I had the best luck at Five Below, so I'm just gonna show you. First up, I found slime lickers, and I've been wanting to try these for the longest time. I've been seeing people try these all over my For You page, so I am so excited to finally have them. Next, I found Squishmallows, and these ones are actually Flip Mallows. These are really fun, and I love these. The last thing I got is actually a Fidget, and this is a mesh ball. They call it a squish ball, and I love the color. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, so let's take it out. Look how pretty. That's everything I got at Five Below. I'm so lucky that I was able to find all of these awesome things. Bye! Hey guys, Flashy Fidget sent me some of the awesome fidgets that they sell on their website. Right now on their TikTok account, they're doing a giveaway with some of these fidgets and a lot more. To enter the giveaway, make sure to go follow